my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about again the Cardano Ada. As you know, Cardano is very fastly moving cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately from the previous last one day, the price of the Cardano is going down by down. What's the reason behind it, why the price is going down, and why? That is the warning alert video for all of you friends. So keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please like this video and click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently this time price of the Cardano as 1.65 USD dollar, friends. And on the other hand, if we look, the price changes occur in the Cardano. So the last 1 hour, the last one day, the both changes as negative, friends. As I told you that from the yesterday, the price change occur in the Cardano was negative, friends. Anyways, if we look the last 70 price change, so the last 70 positive 21.48% change occur in the Cardano in the last 1 week, friends. What's your prediction about Cardano? My prediction as now in this time is positive because the fast occur as you can see here on the chart, friends. I'm right, friends. As you can see here, I know that previous time fast over in your fast occur in the Cardano. So after a fast there is a jump. Same like that this time if we look the currently conditions. So currently this time the Cardano is again ready to go, ready to go for the moon, friends. And if you look, the price changes occur in the last 1 hour. So I know that at this time the price change is negative, friends, but I already know that the price change is why negative, because that's a temporary fast, and after some passage of time, after with the passage of time, the price change again become positive, friends. That's my prediction. My prediction is very positive because Ada has the best cryptocurrencies in this time, I think third rank in the cryptocurrencies market, friends. Negative 3.26% fast occur in the last 12 hour. On the other hand, if you look the highest price of the Cardano, so 1.71 USD is the highest price of the Cardano, friends. Don't do this mistake and don't sell Cardano at this time. I know that at this time the last 1 hour price is negative, as you can see here, but that is a temporary fast. After some passage of time, they again take a jump, and I hope Cardano give you good amount of profit in the future. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.